We will fix Windows Update Error 0X8007043c. So, let's get started. To launch that troubleshooter, open Windows 10 search box by clicking Type Here to search. Input Troubleshoot in the Type Here to search box. Click Troubleshoot Settings to open Settings, as in the image directly below. Select Windows Update there, and click the Run the Troubleshooter option for it. Click Apply this fix if the troubleshooter provides a resolution. An antivirus scan might help fix error 0X8007043c for some users. To initiate an antivirus scan, click the Settings button on the Start menu. Select Update and Security, and then click Windows Security on the left of Settings. Press the Open Windows Security button. Select Virus and Threat Protection on the left of the window. Press the Quick Scan button. Alternatively, click Scan Options and the Full Scan option. Users with third-party antivirus software will need to initiate scans with those utilities. To initiate an SFC scan, enter the keyword CMD in Windows 10's Search utility. Right-click Command Prompt in the Search utility and select Run as Administrator. Before initiating the SFC scan, enter dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health in the command prompt, then press the Enter keyboard key. Next, input in the command prompts window. Press Return to initiate the scan. Please wait for the SFC scan to weave its magic. Restart Windows when it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.